Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, Eid Mubarak to everyone. Happy Eid to you and your family. So as you know, this is lockdown for Eid also. You can't go anywhere, no parties, nothing. So I created this look for for the family gathering and the family function. This is a very simple look and I've tried using little bit of glitter also because it's a Eid. So let's see how I created this look. So let's start the video. So I'm starting with Lakme Peach Milk Moisturize for my face as a moisturizer. Then I'm using my favorite lip balm. It's from Wadi. It's very affordable and it's a very nice lip balm. You can also try it. It's easily available on Nykaa and purple.com. For this look, I'm not going with the foundation. I'm just going with the concealer. I'm using Kryolan concealer in the shade FS28. I'm just putting it all over, like near to my dark circle and wherever I have the pigmentation. I'm using over there. I'm not using it all over my face because we are not going out. We are just staying at home only. So I'm just minimize the products. So wherever I feel there is a pigmentation, I'm using it over there. As you can see, there's unwanted guest in my face. It's a pimple. So wherever I have pigmentation, I'm putting the all concealer over there. Now I'm blending it with the makeup sponge. You can use your finger also. I'm blending it with my sponge, and the same sponge which I used to blend my concealer, I'm putting it in my face also, so the foundation little bit, the concealer will come on my face also, वो थोड़ा हमारे face पर भी आ जाएगा. Now I'm setting it with Kryolan powder, Kryolan loose powder. This is also a very nice powder. So I'm setting it with the Kryolan loose powder. It's time for the eyebrow. So first I'm pulling out my eyebrow, and next I'm putting eyebrow pencil. I'm just lining my real shape of the eyebrow and just filling in the gaps. जो भी हमारे eyebrow का shape है, मैं उस shape में ही जा रही हूँ और उसको feel कर रही हूँ. एंड विद द ब्रश जो हमें आईब्रो पेंसिल के साथ मिला है, उससे से मैं ब्रश से उसको फिर ठीक से भर लूँगी. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग आई शेडो पैलेट फ्रॉम LA Colors and doing a very simple eye makeup. First I'm putting a dark brown shade in my crease area, in my outer crease. Don't take lots of product in just one go. First take a little bit and then slowly build it up. धीरे धीरे हम उसको build करेंगे. So now before using product, just don't forget to tap extra product. So जो भी extra product है उसको हम tap करके I'll apply on my outer crease, something like this. And now I'm blending it. I'm blending all the harsh lines, whatever is there, I'm blending it all over. उसको अच्छे से circular motion पे we'll blend it. Now I'm taking a shimmery shade and putting in my inner corner, like inner crease, to give some glittery effect or some glammy effect. So I'm putting it in my inner corner and taking the shimmer shade and putting in the inner corner of my eyes. So this will be this will give very simple and yet little glowy look. And again I'm blending all the harsh lines. Same I'm repeating in my another eye as well. So I'm using the same eyeshadow. Now I'm using the kajal. This is from Nykaa kajal, and I'm outlining my upper lash line. So इसको अच्छे से लगा लेंगे. Be careful, it might go inside your eye, तो आपको थोड़ा दर्द होगा, इसलिए be careful. Don't put inside of your eye if you're beginner, so you have to be very careful. And then I'm taking the black eyeshadow and I'm blending the kajal. I'm just smudging it a little bit, to give that smoky effect, तो वो ज़्यादा ऐसे harsh line नहीं लगेगा. And now I'm taking the same kajal and putting in my lower lash line. halfway, not the full. It's just I'm putting in the till the middle of my eyes. And now I'm blending this also with the brown eyeshadow to give some smoky sort of effect. Now I'm taking the same shimmery eyeshadow which I've put on my upper lash line, and I'm putting in my lower lash line inner corner. Yes, something like this. This will enhance my eyes. You can see this will enhance my eyes, and this will give little bit glittery effect and glowy effect to the eye, because as we are not going with the full face makeup, we are just putting little bit of makeup, so the eyes will look good. Now I'm taking Lakme eyeliner and applying a very thin liner, not applying as a wing liner, just putting a little bit till the inner corner of my eyes, applying a very thin liner. And I'm putting in my inner corner also, as we say, the fox eye effect. So इससे हमारे आँख थोड़ी बड़ी लगते हैं, तो it will make your eye looks very sharp. That's called. Now I'm putting mascara, which is from Maybelline. If you want, you can go with the falsies, but I'm keeping it very simple. Now I'm applying white kajal to enhance my eye makeup little bit more. Now I'm taking the brown eyeshadow from the Miss Claire and using it as a contour. Now I'm blending it well. Wherever I did the contour, especially to my cheekbone and the nose area. Yes, blend it. If you're doing contouring, please blend it properly. Now I'm applying a blush, a very light shimmery blush. We are not going with those heavy makeup, just putting a light blush. Now I'm using my DIY makeup fixer spray. It's very easy because it's too hot right now, so I'm just putting it to fix my makeup in the place and let it dry for a few seconds. Now applying the highlighter, which is from In Color. All the product will be in the description box. Now I'm applying the lipstick. This is also from Belle Vosta. This is a nice hot brown kind of shade. So with this I'm finishing my makeup look. So here's the final look. You can pair it with the good pair of earring, mantika, whatever accessories you want. So I tried to keep it very simple yet very glowy.
Hope you liked my video. If you like it, please do share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.